Take a look at this setup. The whole system starts at the tractor's rear, where the power takeoff, PTO, shaft is connected. This is the heart of the operation. It takes the raw power from the tractor's engine and uses a gearbox to turn that energy into high torque rotation. Moving up to the vertical mast, you'll see the guide rails and the lifting mechanism. Whether it's using a hydraulic cylinder or a heavy-duty winch, this part is responsible for applying constant downward pressure, forcing the drill into the earth. Now, look closely at the water swivel at the very top of the rotating pipe. This is a specialized joint that stays still while the pipe spins below it. It allows a high-pressure hose to pump water directly down into the hollow drill string. This mud circulation is the secret. It cools the drill bit and carries all the loose dirt and rocks back up to the surface. As we follow the drill pipe down to the ground level, you can see the results. The rotating bit grinds through the soil and the water flushes the mud out of the hole, keeping the path clear. It's a perfect example of rural engineering, turning a standard farm tractor into a fully functional, mobile water well drilling machine.